Hello everybody. Today we are going to be evaluating the function of the square root of 2 minus x plus 5 with the three different inputs of f, the function of -3, the function of 2, and the function of -a. So for the first part, when you see that there is a function with a -3, we are going to input the value of x with the -3. So we're going to substitute the x with -3. So what we are going to do is we're going to go 2 minus -3 plus 5. So that in turn, that'll take out the two negatives. So you'll end up getting 2 plus 3 plus 5, which ends up being the square root of 10. So that's for the first formula. Now for the second formula, I hope you guys can see that okay, we're going to substitute the x with the 2. So what we are going to do is we're going to start the function as f of 2 equals the square root of 2 minus, now we're going to substitute the x for 2 plus 5. Now the 2's cancel each other out and you're left with the square root of 5. Now for the last one, we are going to substitute the x for a -a. So now for this one, we're probably just going to simplify the equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to do f to the, there we go, okay. F -a equals the square root of 2 minus -a plus 5. So the negatives are going to cancel each other out, so you're up going to get plus signs. So you're going to end up with 2 plus a plus 5. And then if you simplify it, you're going to end up getting the square root of 7 plus a. Now these are just three different options for when you input the values for the functions. The functions, whenever you see this part, you're going to substitute the x for the number provided. Thank you so much for